Mobile devices are an essential part of business today. The types of tasks solved with mobiles are growing more and more rapidly. HID and Axis Communications now offer the first integrated IP-based mobile access control solution. It lets you gain access to secured buildings, rooms, or areas. Compared with traditional badges, it delivers a more convenient experience to your workforce. And it's a more cost-effective, simple, and secure way for your company to manage identification credentials. The HID Mobile Access app sends the user's credentials via Bluetooth to the HID reader. The Axis A1001 door controller validates whether the user can enter a specific building, room, or area and communicates its decision to the lock, which unlocks the door. Discover the mobile access solution from HID and Axis to release more operational convenience and efficiency to your mobile and